Tonight's hook reveals a dating trap dressed as chemistry, a charming start hinting at ghosting and real talk. In the setup, two people connect with laughter and plans, while one hides vague commitments in the early days. The overlooked red flag is constant availability, paired with affectionate ultimatums erasing boundaries, self-respect, and autonomy. When ghosting hits the scene, the story shifts to confusion with a call to kindness. The takeaway invites both genders to name signals early and practice clear boundaries with empathy and confidence.